In this video, I'll guide you through how to add a drop shadow to text in DaVinci Resolve. Adding a drop shadow can give your text more depth and make it stand out against your background, which is especially useful if you're working on projects where clarity and visual appeal are crucial. So let's dive right in and see how you can easily achieve this effect. First things first, you'll want to be on the edit page. This is where all the magic happens in DaVinci Resolve when it comes to assembling your clips and adding effects. Once you're there, open up the effects library, which is located on the top left of your screen. Click on titles and you'll see a variety of text options to choose from. Next, you'll need to drag the text plus option onto your timeline, placing it above your video clip where you want the text to appear. Text Plus is a versatile tool in DaVinci Resolve that allows you to add and customize text with various effects, including animations, colors, and, as we'll explore today, shadows. With your Text Plus clip on the timeline, go ahead and select it. Now, let's open the inspector panel. The inspector is your go-to place for tweaking all the properties of your text clip, from basic settings like font and size to more advanced features like shading and transformations. Now, in the inspector, switch over to the shading tab. This is where you'll be able to add and adjust shadows for your text. In this tab, you'll notice multiple elements that you can enable or disable. For our purpose, enable an extra element, such as element 2. By default, this might not be set up for shadows, so we'll need to make a few adjustments. Once you've enabled the extra element, set it to drop shadow mode. This mode is specifically designed to create the shadow effect we're looking for. Now let's fine-tune the settings to get the perfect drop shadow. Start by adjusting the color. Typically, a black or dark gray color works best for shadows as it provides a clear contrast against the text. You can choose whatever color you feel works best with your specific video, but dark colors are generally the go-to for a natural shadow look. Next, let's tweak the opacity setting. This controls the strength of the shadow. A higher opacity will give you a denser, more pronounced shadow, while a lower opacity will create a softer effect. Adjust this setting until you're happy with how bold or subtle the shadow appears. Now, take a look at the offset X and Y options. These settings allow you to move your shadow horizontally and vertically, respectively. Play around with these sliders to position the shadow where it looks most natural and effective for your text. Finally, there's the blur setting. This one softens the edges of your shadow, giving it a smoother, more diffused look. Increasing the blur will create a softer shadow, while decreasing it will leave you with a sharper edge. Adjust this according to your preference until your shadow complements your text beautifully. And there you have it. You've successfully added a drop shadow to your text in DaVinci Resolve. This effect can really elevate the visual quality of your project, making your text pop and ensuring your message gets across clearly. Thanks for watching and happy editing.